How to translate PDF files to any language in seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have a PDF document in a language you don't understand and need to translate it quickly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy and free way to do it in just a few simple steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the Google Drive, then click on New. After that, you need to select File Upload. Now, choose the PDF file you want to translate from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, right-click on it. From the option, choose Open With and then select Google Docs. This will convert your PDF into an editable document. Easy, right? Now, go to the top of the page and click on Tools tab. From there, select Translate Document. A box will pop up asking you to name your translated document. You can give it a new name or keep the original one. Next, choose the language you want to translate your document into. There are tons of languages to choose from. Once you have made your selection, just click OK, and just like that, your PDF document is now translated. You can even download it on the other format like Word or PDF if you need to. And that's it for today. You have broken down language barriers effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.